Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing really good, and I hope you all are enjoying the last few days of the year 2021. And I really wish that the next year is full of good results, some positivity, some positive learning, some good learnings, and let's end this year on a very high note. So for this New Year Bonanza, we have come up with the two special courses for all of you. The first one is the Cost Accounting All-Rounder course for CA Intermediate for May 22 and November 22 attempt. And what we are going to cover, as all of you must have seen the last video also on the All-Rounder course. And quickly, I'll give you the recap that we are going to cover the updated ICAI study mat. Then we are going to cover RTP, MTP and previous year question for the last 4 years. Okay, and the course is starting from 1st of January 2022. That is on the new year. We are going to start with the course. So basically, what this course is going to help you is this course is okay. Before that, this course is going to be in Hindi language, right? So a lot of people are asking for the English also. Do not worry, I have a special course for the English students also, right? So how this course is going to help you? This course is going to give you a comprehensive coverage, and just in the price of this course, you are going to cover the whole of cost accounting and going into the exam very confidently, believe me that. The concepts you can study from the YouTube lectures, and the question practice that you need, right? Some of the practice you will get in the YouTube lectures, and the rest of the practice that you need for your exam preparation, this course will give you all that practice. You don't need to do anything else, right? This is my promise. You will go confident into the exam. Now, what is the special New Year Bonanza in this course for you people? Two things. One is, along with this course till the new year night, what you are getting is you are getting our concept book absolutely free of cost. That concept book is a special book covering all the concepts, covering all the theories with the special revision boosters for the examination purpose, the RBs, revision boosters, that you can quickly revise and remember the things. So it is a very special concept book which you are getting absolutely free of cost with this course. The second thing in this course is that you can earn a cashback of 300 rupees on this course by referring to your friends. You have to refer to your friend. As soon as your friend joins the course, you have to tell us that, sir, this is the friend to whom I referred and he has joined your course, and you can earn an instant cashback of 300 rupees through the UPI ID. All the details are available on our mobile app KSJ Teaching, and also on our website www.ksjteaching.org. All the links will be available in the video descriptions, so go check it out. So these are the two special benefits that you will get on this cost accounting all-rounder course. And believe me guys, I have been teaching cost accounting for so long, and this is all what you need. The ICAI study mat, the most important thing, 50 to 60% of the paper will be from the ICAI study mat. After that, RTP, MTP and previous year question from the last 4 years. You can definitely expect one or two questions from this content. Okay, so quickly go to our Android app KSJ Teaching, and a lot of people have been asking for the iOS app also. It will be available very soon. Okay, so download our app KSJ Teaching, go to the course, subscribe to the course. The price of this course is 2,999. In just this price, you are getting the concept book also, right? You can earn a cashback of 300 on this price by referring to your friends. You are getting the whole course of cost accounting in this price because the concepts are available absolutely free of cost on YouTube, right? And the unbeatable concept clarity, just go watch the video, share with your friends, decide on yourself, right? So this is the first course, that is the cost accounting all-rounder course, and the language will be Hindi. So download our app KSJ Teaching, and quickly guys, go and subscribe to the course so that you get your concept books at the earliest, because the concept books, the free concept book along with this course will be available only and only till the new year midnight. After that, you will not get the concept book. So this is an additional bonus, the new year benefit that you are getting. So do not miss out on this opportunity. This is a great opportunity, and believe me, this concept book is going to help you a lot during the examination for the revision purpose also. So this is basically a complete cost accounting course. You don't need to do anything else for that. The second course is for my special English students, the South Indian community who have been asking a lot of things for the English. That is the ICAI Study Mat Question Discussion Series that is updated for May 2022. All the lectures are available, right? All the lectures are available. Complete English language, complete coverage of the ICAI Study Mat, the updated mat of May 2022. The price is $13.99. Along with this course also, you are getting a free hard copy of the concept book. Already more than 100 students have subscribed to these two courses. All-rounder course also, I have already dispatched 50 to 60 concept books, right? And this also, the English students are going after this course because they know the benefit of this course. A lot of people have already subscribed, and I have shared some of the reviews of the students on the YouTube also, right? And there are the reviews on my Telegram channel also, and my Telegram group also for the English. So a lot of students are going after these courses. You also have to go for it. You do not miss out on this opportunity because this is a one-time opportunity that you are getting. And believe me, cost accounting will be your highest scoring subject in the examination. And the most important thing that you are going to get with these courses is full query support from our side. Whether you WhatsApp your queries, or whether you put it on the mobile app, or you ask it through the Telegram or email ID, all the options will be open for you people, because this is one area, this is a very sensitive area, query support. Right? You often do not get the query support, but from our side, if you subscribe to any of our courses, you will get the best of query support. I will be answering all the queries personally, and I'll make sure that till you clear your exams, I will provide the whole of query support to all of you. All those who will be joining either this course or the all-rounder course. Okay, for the English community, they have been asking for the all-rounder course. Guys, we will be coming up with the all-rounder course very soon. So this course is also available on our app, KSJ Teaching. Just go for it and quickly subscribe to the courses, because this is a special opportunity where you will be getting the hard copy of the concept book delivered to your house without paying anything. In just the price of this course, you're getting the hard copy of the concept book, right? Which is very important, and this concept book is going to be very helpful during the revision purposes also. So this is a one-time opportunity, a special New Year gift for my KSJ family that we are giving away. We have never given any of the book free of cost, but for the very first time with this course, we are giving our concept book, black and white book, absolutely free of cost. No extra charges for that. And additionally, on the all-rounder course, you can earn a cashback. So guys, quickly go for it and share with all your friends, and ask your friends to join the course also. All those who want to take the benefit of this course and be confident in the cost accounting, share it as much as possible. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications in the future also. We already have lots and lots of videos for you on the YouTube, absolutely free of cost, free courses of cost accounting, financial management, and economics for finance, right? Secondly, one very important question a lot of people have been asking me, that sir, please provide the financial management and economics or finance course in English. Guys, I'm already working on that, right? We'll come up very soon with that also. Do not get disappointed. And the financial management SM series also will be coming up for May 2022. Definitely for May 22, we'll be coming up with the FM ICAI series, and that will be in English. I'll come up with a special video on that whenever we launch the course. Right, for now, quickly go and join the cost accounting, either the all-rounder course. All-rounder course is going to start from 1st of January. You will start getting the videos from 1st of January, right? And this ICAI Study Mat course only in English, it is already available. All the chapters, all the videos are available for May 2022, updated material. Okay. So guys, quickly go for it. Enjoy your new year, but do not miss out on your studies. That is the most important thing. And enjoy, have fun, all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.